Hey everybody, I just wanted to say I hope you're having a good Halloween. Be safe and enjoy yourselves. And in the spirit of Halloween, I wanted to tell you a story. I hope you enjoy the story. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Peace. I wanted to revisit a figure important to me since my exploration began. When I was first setting the intention to look at the story of the Mound builders, I began to gravitate and sort of orbit a certain aspect of their lore for reasons I didn't understand. There was a calling, a pull, a deep-rooted magnetism in the direction of a religious icon within the pantheon of the mound-building societies. He goes by many names: Redhorn, the Falcon Warrior, the Long-Nosed God, he who wears human faces on his ears, and he who has deer lungs thrown at him. His legend is said to be associated with the symbolism of the arrow and hunting, speed, and accuracy. Ethno-astrologers associate his legend with the morning and possibly the evening star. Some say Alnilam of Orion's belt. That seems more logical to me. But Redhorn as a star is unsatisfying. Not only that, but why do I resonate so much with the mythos? Was it Redhorn himself that steered me so hard towards the exploration? I'm not sure what to think. Make up your own mind about Redhorn. His Suin and Ho-Chunk story begins as a boy with 10 siblings, all of whom were presumably stronger, faster, and better hunters than he. At first I figured that's why he got the old name, he who has deer lungs thrown at him, that he may be forced to survive on offals while everyone else ate meat from their hunt. But that wasn't the story. And as any man of renown on a hero's journey, he creates his own path. One day he competed with his brothers in a foot race. The prize of winning the race was a new bride. Falling behind in the race, he transformed like a shapeshifter into an arrow, whizzing past everyone and winning the race decidedly. I guess he didn't feel like he needed a wife because he gave the bride to his oldest brother. It was at that point that he revealed who he truly was. He said that those who created him in heaven called him he who wears human faces on his ears. And with that, he used his own saliva to reveal human faces on his ears and a long red braid. From that point on, he went by the name Redhorn.